Hello and welcome to this new video. This time Omid's challenge number 105. We did similar challenges before with some Excel BI challenges. It is about character counting, but never mind, we will do this challenge. So first, because these are single cells and I want to have everything in one cell to work more easily with this, I need to concat everything. Then it isn't mentioned in the instructions, but if you count the n's, for example, there are 6 small n's, 1 large n, so 1 uppercase n, and here in the table there are 7 n's given. So you see here it's case insensitive task, so I take here lower to make the whole text a lowercase text. So wrap this into a let function, name this C, and now I use the len approach. So len from C, so I have the length of all those letters here, how many letters there are, minus len of substitute. And now I substitute from C characters sequence 250. So I get here, I will show to you in an instance, I will get here with CHAR sequence 250 the first 250 Unicode characters, and you see here they are also like the normal letters and also numbers and so on. Here, for example, also the @ sign. So we have here everything that could be in this password thing here. So now I also make this sequence here into this char sequence here into a separate argument in my let function, because I need it then here 2 times, because I will stack this with the so here first the character and then the counting, and now I can use the sort function. Sort for the second column, sort index is 2, in descending order, and I have here the table here ordered in descending order first after the repetition, and also the characters are sorted. Now I take only the first 6 rows, and you see it is the same as in the given example. Here everything the same. Now I could also add, for example, the header, so VSTACK, HSTACK, character repetition. Oh, it's a misspelling. And I have the solution here, and the challenge is solved. Thank you for your attention. I hope to see you with the next challenge.